we're looking to build a legacy business here, and we enjoy it. I think one of the things we do different now today is we don't rebrand a lot of our locations, although we do have Vive locations, and we'll continue to have greenfields and brownfields. And in some cases, we do rebrand them, but we like to honor the legacy businesses that we've purchased. And, in some cases, those family members are still on with us, and the reputations and, relationships that some of those businesses have built in those markets are really important to us. So we're always constantly trying to figure out, how do you scale the business? We call it the family of brands, right? We're the parent company, and we power those businesses by Vive.